Apollo Kiniton advocacy oriong'etelo Pelam Uganda Jessica modong'esi abalebe ekoto Itunga isache koti kosote aitemono kina kiron wa Luko kingana ekoti
iduma kiro ebe just investors aboy shono lango kedeteso vitu somaeta Alupoko asome business agolo ritunga lo chala wai Kwap nata imikesi akipi noema zitike chemowe ni kedeno chore tangora eto soma ara agolo no riroti ni to soma Itunga kere so iboro kwa tangesi wa ikotorani nebe all the investors whether small or large scale invest within the guidelines and the provisions of compliance and the laws and regulations of the land.
Yata kito modo ebe koto atekerai wadika Lupoko kech tetere dumunete abaluana nue iwaritosa lupo
nyote wadika ta Lupoko tere bula baranara investor okota demarja Lupoko jejo da go tight baka ba mam sejene kisil mami iware jo kota le kisil so ai chora kinete nejai woro neja situnga kerelo jata kida Lupo kara misira dope arato manara misine lukumite wadika ta Lupo kiteso ayu asingare ni woke dangare ni ngokodoe
Apollo Kiniton akiron wa Apollo district alo amolatar Patrick Otilengesi abalebe joka kanapeta nu kanu Itunga lo Kwap.
Much as it is in everybody's mind that investment is supposed to be making profits and having only positive impacts in the lives of people, along the way there are several other negative impacts on the livelihoods and lives of the population, and this in the long run would bring conflict between investors and the communities, including laborers. So this intervention have been bringing all these other stakeholders together, the local government, the communities, the investors, the laborers, so that we work in harmony, so that neither the rights of the investors nor the rights of the communities are in balance.
Oh, this one was a very, very good meeting, and it is informative for our people. So when we go back, we need to go and inform our community about what we got from here. Sensitize the parish chief and hold the healthy ones because they are working in the grassroots down there, so that our community can understand issues concerning land.
Aishana eteteneo ne pole betrona itemono ni atikshongon ai pikaki ni committee no ete ngaraen ngunga itemono ni ngunga ta ochalo tetane kibo bona nyebe investments unu soma o panel be pero investors unu lo ito paskada achie somsini soma ita kuro ko peta ipit
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapu Koibuga Soroti.